Greetings everyone. Sorry to be the bearer of the bad news, but apparently your shop will reset very soon, and of course your first question will be, I don't have enough honor, what should I do? My dear friend, they're gonna be both. They are no longer there, and in 2 weeks exactly, 30 days to be precise, they are going to be removed from the shop, and the new currency required to get the new skins will be changed. I believe this was a warning before on one of their articles, but all of a sudden I tried to look for the article again to confirm it was not there. Keep an eye on the timer and make sure that your skins are purchased without any delays, because when the time runs out, items in the event skin store will get refreshed and your event currency is reset. But here we go, we had this change today, and now there is a cooldown of 2 weeks only, and if you don't have enough honor by that time, it's gone. It's your fault. Now here's the big issue. This honor currency comes from 2 events only so far, the SVS and the Mining Mayhem. And not only that, it requires you to be the top 20, and they are monthly event, which means they come only 1 time per month. So there is a big chance you won't be even able to get any of those currencies at all, or the skins, no matter what you do. So if you are left over with, like, for example me, I can't buy the skin even though it says 2 weeks, but I can't. There is no event that will come in 2 weeks will generate some honor for me, so it's over. So we reached out to the developers to check what's going on and what will happen. They are now collecting some feedback to at least adjust for this month, or literally for this season, I mean, not just a month. So please help me gather some feedback about what could be done about it. Thank you so much.